Welcome to the comprehensive tutorial on how to filter cells based on the background color in Excel. This is a common scenario in data analysis where visual cues play a crucial role. In this session, we'll explore two powerful methods that cater to different preferences and scenarios, using the filter feature and employing the find feature. Let's delve deeper into each method to understand their nuances and applications. Assuming that you have a list of data in the range of cells A1, B5 with the different background color, and you want to filter cells or rows based on the background color of a specified cell, and then select all filtered cells. Let's dive into the first method. It will involve leveraging Excel's built-in filter feature. This method is particularly useful when you want to dynamically filter and analyze data based on various criteria, including background color. Let's walk through the detailed steps to master this approach. Select one column that you want to filter by cell color. Go to Data tab, click Filter command under Sort and Filter Group. You will see that the filter arrow button will be shown in the field of the selected column. Click Filter arrow button, select Filter by color from the pop-up menu list. And then select one color from the sub-menu list to be used to filer. Click OK button. All rows in the selected column have been filtered by selected color. Then you can press Ctrl+C shortcuts to copy all cells that has been filtered. The second method employs the find feature, providing a straightforward and targeted approach to locating cells with specific background colors. Select the range of cells that you want to select cells based on the background color of another cell. Go to Home tab, click Find and select Command under Editing Group. Or press Ctrl+F shortcuts in your keyboard. The Find and Replace dialog will appear. In Find tab, click Format button, and click Choose Format from Cell from the drop-down menu list. Then select one cell with the background color as the criteria. Click Find All button, press Ctrl+A to select all cell found, then click Close button. All cells based on the color of the selected color have been selected in the selected range. Both methods offer efficient ways to filter cells based on background color, providing you with flexibility in data analysis and visualization. Thanks for watching.